Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, we will show you the detailed working process of the sealing knife on our 4-side EPS packaging machine. Many customers have asked how the film is sealed and how it is cut afterward, so we prepared this demonstration to give you a clearer and more intuitive understanding of the entire procedure. To make every movement easy to see, we have temporarily removed the PE film, allowing the sealing and cutting actions of the blade to be displayed more clearly and directly. If you would like to learn more about our EPS machines or EPS molds, please feel free to contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer any questions you may have and provide any additional information you need. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.